In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make vaporwave music in Suno AI. We'll go from a blank page to a dreamy, nostalgic track using a custom style prompt and original lyrics. Start by opening Google. Before we jump into Suno, we'll create a style prompt that tells the AI exactly what vibe to produce. To do that quickly, search for ChatGPT and open the official site. We're going to use it to generate a clear, well-structured description of the sound we want. In ChatGPT, type a request for a vaporwave-style prompt with a relaxed, nostalgic mood, a surreal and dreamy vibe, and around 80 BPM. Ask for soft, sampled-style vocals, slowed-down synths, reverb-heavy effects, and atmospheric textures. Then submit your request. When the response appears, read it to make sure it captures the mood, tempo, and instrumentation you want. If it's too wordy, trim it. If it's too vague, ask for a crisper, more concise version. Once you're happy, highlight the entire style prompt and copy it. Now head to Suno and click Create. In the field labeled Styles, paste the prompt you just copied. This is the sonic blueprint that guides the generator toward classic vaporwave aesthetics. Slower tempo, lush reverbs, and hazy textures that feel nostalgic and slightly surreal. Next, let's create original lyrics. Go back to ChatGPT and request lyrics that match the vaporwave genre. For this example, ask for an original song about self-love and empowerment, and mention that the tone should stay dreamy and reflective. Submit and give it a moment. When the lyrics appear, skim them to confirm they're original and fit the vibe. If you want a shorter or longer song, ask for an adjusted version. When satisfied, highlight all the text and copy it. On Windows, press Ctrl+C. On macOS, press Command+C. Return to Suno. Find the lyrics field and paste your lyrics. Make sure the lines are spaced clearly so the generator can interpret phrasing. If a line feels too dense for a slower 80 BPM track, consider shortening it or adding a line break so the vocals can breathe. When everything looks good, click Create. Suno will process your style and lyrics to generate the track. This can take a moment, so be patient. Once it's done, listen through. If the mood isn't quite right, tweak your style wording. Keep the key terms like 80 BPM, reverb heavy, and dreamy textures, and try again. Small changes can make a big difference. And that's it. You now know how to make vaporwave music in Suno AI using a targeted style prompt and original lyrics. Enjoy creating.